Dear students, we'll be writing certain programs, Python programs I mean, with the user-defined functions. So in class 11th you have already done the Fibonacci series, but here what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a user-defined function and then generating Fibonacci series up to a given number of terms. So here what we have, def, we'll be starting with the user-defined function, and this is a keyword which starts and then followed by generate Fibo. So this is the name of the function which I have given. It can be any identifier, so you need to follow the rules of identifier for naming a function. In bracket we have a one single value which is n. N is a variable which will be specifying the number of terms. So when this function will be called, it will be n will get the value for displaying the Fibonacci series up to a given number of terms. So, and now I have given a doc string, and then you have first, second, and 0, 1, because the two terms of the series are fixed. We can print these ones, and then since the number of terms is suppose 8, so we need to print it. Two terms are already printed, so we need to print 4 other terms. So I'm starting with this I equal to 0, which will count the number of terms, and then while I is less than n minus 2, we have subtracted 2 because 2 terms are already displayed here. And then the third will be the sum of first and second terms. So once we add this, we print it, and then after printing the third, we are going to reset the first and second by assigning second to first and the third term to second. And the loop, this is the step expression which will really control the loop. So this is what we have created, a user defined function. Let's now, after defining, let's now go to the let's go to accepting the number of terms in the Fibonacci series. So we have accepted this, and number of terms we have passed this value to generate Fibo. So here n is getting the value from here. So the flow of execution of the program will be def will be executed first, no other statement in the body will be executed, then it will come to number of terms where it will get the value from the user, and then there is a call for this particular function which is not returning any value. It's printing the result all by itself. So let's come here where we can save this. We have already saved it, and you can run this. So now it is asking me to enter the number of terms. Let's say 10 terms of the series I would like to, and this is what we have, the result: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and 34. So these are the 10 terms of the Fibonacci series. So this is all about the Fibonacci series for a given number of terms. And in the board examination, you will be only asked to define the function. You don't have to write the whole program. Only the logic will be asked in a user-defined function. So you should be prepared for such kind of questions. Now, let's see the other one. This is another program which is a little different. It is also displaying Fibonacci series, but it is up to a given number. Now I'm going to clear this console, IPython console, by writing this command clear percentage and then clear, enter. So this clears up my IPython console. Let's come to this. Here what we have, we are going to print to a maximum limit, right? So here we have taken the maximum limit. We have passed this value max here, max number passes the value to max at the time of call, and we are printing first and second which are fixed. Then third is evaluated here. Why we have done this? Because we need to set the condition on the third term where it should not be more than max. So third has to have a start. So third is initialized to first plus second, and while third is less than equal to max, right? This is the loop where we are controlling the value of third term, which is always really we are recalculating the third term, and then we are printing the third, which is already calculated before the loop, and then after printing the third, now we have to set for the next term. So first and second are reset again, and once it is reset, the loop has to print the third. So before it prints the third, we are going to set this. So this is the following the all the looping statements, where this is a start, and this is the stop, and this is the step. So these are the three parts which is controlling the loop here. And let's run this after saving it. It's already saved. And let's say 34. So here we go. So this is the result. And we got this, all the terms of the Fibonacci series up to a maximum number. Hope these two programs are clear to you. Now, based on this, you are going to do the assignments which I'll be giving you further.